Yo, what up, what up? So, we just made it to Vegas last night, had an awesome night. Now we woke up this morning, hashtag, and now we're about to go stuff our faces at an all-you-can-eat buffet. Ain't nothing cheesy and sleazier than that, right? So, Bellagio, all-you-can-eat buffet, wins this round. Ton of fatty foods that stuffs you up. I just gotta kill this last pancake. I'm not gonna give up without a fight. So we are walking along the strip now. We're gonna go to, where are we going, babe?
Caesar's Palace.
Caesar's Palace, my crib, my palace, all right? I gotta make a stop, go to a board meeting and whatnot. And then we're gonna go, what are we gonna take up after that? Then the Venetian and do some laser tag? Virtual reality, there we go. I don't know what's going on, that's why she's here, all right? Keep me focused, keep me on point.
We're gonna be
without acting alone. Without have no soul.
We had to get out of the heat and get indoors because it was just too scorching out there. Now we're just cutting through these little, not little, but big ass casinos, doing a little bit of shopping, and hopefully get to our destination. Oh, wait, check this out. So we are still on our trek to the virtual reality Ghostbusters that we're about to go do. And we're just still trying to navigate indoors because it is like over 100 degrees outside. And your boy ain't feeling that type of heat, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, we got a
Greetings,
special
rookies.
assignment.
I'm Dr. Ray Stantz, Director of Recruitment Research and Trainee Certification. The fact is that negatively driven paranormal intrusions into our existence are increasing as I speak. Every member of our team must be prepared to play your vital part in stopping this flow of evil malevolence into our city. Today, your part will be to make the coffee run. But you can't take out an ectomobile unless you have a corresponding assignment. So, I found a reported sighting for you to investigate on the way to...
All right, so that was awesome. One of the best experiences that I've had so far. Highly recommended. All right, go do that virtual reality experience. It's definitely a must go to.
It's in LA and New York and Vegas.
It's quick, but like you would never forget it. Yo, what up, what up, what up? So this is the final night here at the Bellagio and Vegas. And you may notice that I am wearing the same outfit from last night. But it's dark in Vegas, so nobody knows or gives a shit. So I was feeling a little swag-goo or swaggish. So I decided to throw these back on and get myself outside and have dinner with my beautiful wife. So right now we're at Jasmine, or Yasmin, is a high-end Chinese restaurant. We have the view of the fountains right now. And yeah, we're about to eat and enjoy the show at Cirque du Soleil, the Cirque du Soleil show, right? Yes. All right, that's what we're about to do. So let me enjoy this little evening, and I'll just give you a quick little highlight.